Hey everybody. So I got an email from a company that I bought their product from, and I didn't realize that they have other products. So they asked me if I could, do something with it, and I said, "Well, I'm building Babs." She's up there. Computer, and they were like, "Oh, we have something you might like to go along with it." So 8BitDo sent me a pink controller to try out. Babs told me if I was going to try it out, Halo? Babs plays Halo? All right. 8BitDo. Super Geek Ed turned me on to their keyboard, and I'm been clickety-clacking ever since. I had to go get it. I'll show it to you guys one day. I'd like to get another one for out here. I don't like switching stuff, one thing here, whatever. But anyway, we're gonna try this out. We're gonna play some Halo. We'll see how Babs does, and I'll give you a review. So far, I'm a fan. It's the texture on it is great, but let's try it out. The texture. I could see this being very, like you could play with this for a long time. It doesn't feel cheap in any way. I have pretty big hands. It's comfortable. It's definitely got some durability to it. Everything feels premium. Master Chief Collection. Oh yeah. Seriously, 8BitDo, thanks for this. Personal note, just got home from work. It's Friday. What a better time to game. If it's your first time here, like, subscribe, comment. I'm not really into doing streaming stuff, but I did want to give them a shout out for taking care of us here. It's a nice controller. Thank you guys, appreciate it. 8BitDo, I'll link in the description. They're on Amazon, all their products. They come in all different colors. I like the controller. I love the texture of it. It is definitely premium. For not a premium price. Pricing is very good on them. So thank you for letting me test it out. All right, Babs, you ready? Ready to play the Master Chief Collection?
Level low.
Sneaks and Geeks USA, thank you. If you're interested in us testing any products, see the email in the description. We'll be back soon. Got a cool build coming. Somebody's coming back to visit. Whispers of that anyway. Take care. See you soon.